I'm Chechi, your #1 foodie, and you're welcome to another episode of Quick Easy Meals. Where else would rather be if not where there is food? And so today I am at Cravens where Chef Nice is going to be preparing a surprise for me. I don't know what it is, but let's see what it is.
Hello beautiful people of the world, this is Chef Nice and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making for you chicken shawarma. And the most interesting part of this is because a lot of people, they're finding it difficult to make shawarma in their home, but Chef Nice is telling you can make shawarma in your home. And then now the recipe for shawarma, we're having sausage, the hot dog sausage, cocktail sauce, onions, cheese, sweet corn, salt, seasoning, chicken breast, a little bit of soya sauce, and you also have chips, soya pepper, cabbage and carrot, and the Arab bread. And we have ketchup and also salad cream. So watch me do my thing. Chef Nice in the building. So first and foremost, we'll put on the gas. Have a fry pan on the fire. A little bit of oil. By slicing my chicken fillet. So the chicken fillet, you can shred it, you can also dice it as well. It depends on your choice. As you can see, the chicken breast is being sliced, so now we have to season the chicken breast, which is a little bit of salt and seasoning, a little bit of soya pepper and black pepper. A little bit of oil. Then you marinate it together. You put on the gas while you're marinating the chicken fillet. You add your onions. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. While you're waiting, you can start sorting out your bread. A lot of people like to use like 2 bread, 1, but when you open it, it's 2, but I like to use like 3 slices. You can add your cabbage and carrot. A little bit of soya pepper. Then you have 2 sausages. You just have to give them a sign so that they can be well cooked, well grilled inside. Okay, now you bring out your hot dog sausage. You can drop it inside while you put off the gas. There's still a heat, you know, in the chicken while you now add your mozzarella cheese. The difference in between Chef Nice and other people, which they don't add the mozzarella cheese, but I do. So that's why I'm called Chef Nice. So you add your mozzarella cheese. You allow it to melt down. And you take it off. While the cheese is melted, then you can place it on the bread so you can see what I'm talking about. So you drop it, you add your hot dog to it. Okay. A little bit of soya pepper. You have your ketchup. And this is where the cocktail sauce comes in. You just have to get a little bit of cling film. And if you don't have a cling film at home, you can use a nylon bag, whatever you have. I just use it to pipe. Get like a toothpick and boom. That's it. And that's it. Then you add a little bit of chips. A little bit of sweet corn if you feel like. And you roll it. And this is where the real problem, the real big deal comes in, because a lot of people feel they need to own the shawarma stand before they can make a shawarma at home. But Chef Nice is telling them, like, you can make shawarma in your house, even though in your village. All you need to do is to get a fry pan. You put on the gas, lower the heat, a little bit of vegetable oil, and the shawarma is ready. You're good to go. Then you toast it. Please, you can also get like a little bit of cover so that you can press the shawarma down, but not too much. So I'm having a cover I just need to bring it down a little bit, but not too much. So now it's toasting. And the next 5 minutes, it will be ready. You toast it side by side. Okay. The other way around. Okay. We're good to go. You can see it's brown, gold, not burnt. So you take off the heat, then you bring it. Now you make sure you cut the shawarma into two. Some people don't like it being cut into two, but Chef Nice love it being cut into two. So you can see it's very, very juicy and yummy. Then you place it in a plate. And a little bit of chips, just small, a little bit. Then your coleslaw salad, because Chef Nice is in the building, so a little bit, and a little bit of sweet corn, just to give it color. But relax a bit, because it's Chef Nice. I like to do something different from other people. A little bit of salt pepper to the chips, and then hold on a bit. You know why I'm being called Chef Nice. So you can pipe in a little bit of ketchup on top of it, which we do call paparazzi. And boom. And that's all. All right, here we go. Chicken shawarma. Very nice. You can make it in your house, even though in your village, by Chef Nice. Hi, Chechi.
Hi, Chef Nice.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh my God, this looks
Take a
good.
bite and tell me how it tastes.
How do you know I like this? Thank you. Thank you so much, Chef Nice. Oh, so Chef Nice prepared shawarma for me, and gosh, I love this. Is one of my favorite meals, and so I'm going to be tasting this. I know it's going to taste good already, so. This is so good. You guys need to taste this. Oh my gosh. But anyways, if you want to have this, you can come to Cravings at Victoria Island. Look at this recipe or others on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am Chechi.